Okay, hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And I wanted to give you an update today on the algae that's trying to grow on the peat pellets that our begonia seedlings are growing in. Because the roots are spreading out on our begonia seedlings, I have stopped trying to scrape it off because one of the roots, I'm not sure if it got damaged or not on one of my begonia seedlings, but I have stopped trying to scrape it off. I will try and figure out a solution for it, and I don't think it'll hurt it, this one here, but I don't want to take a chance of tearing the roots up. So I've stopped trying to scrape it off, and I don't know where it came from. It could have been in the peat pellets themselves, so I'm not 100% sure, but I just wanted to give you that update. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below. And please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. And I hope you have a nice day. Bye.